must become that which I say I am. Therefore, I boldly declare, I am rich.
So basically, everyone has an edge in the markets. Every profitable trader has an edge in the markets. And as a trader, until you discover your edge in the markets, you may never become profitable. Until you discover your edge in the markets, you may never become profitable. So that is why we do back testing. That is why we take our time to study the charts and know exactly how the chart works and how we can take advantage of the various movements of the chart to predict the direction that price will go in the next move. And personally, I was struggling with trading. I was never profitable until I discovered my edge, until I found this simple strategy that helped me become profitable. So I want to teach you this strategy so that you work on it, to backtest it, to practice it, and see if that is where your edge is in the market, and see if it can work for you the same way. Because this strategy, I have tested it over and over again, and it has proven to work very well, almost 100%. So sit back, relax. Let me illustrate how this strategy works. So this strategy is all about break and retest of trend lines. I'm going to show you the rules and I'm going to play a live mode for you to also see how it works. Okay, so the simple rules of this strategy is, first of all, as you can see here, I want to see a kind of market move where it is making structures like this, where price is creating structures like this. Okay, in an uptrend, I want to see creating higher highs. In a downtrend, I want to see it creating lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so this is exactly what I want to see. So I'll grab my trend line, place it on the first low like this, attach it to the second one that's connected to the second low, and then I'll extend it. This is how I draw my trend line. Okay, I place my trend line on the first low, connect to the second, and then extend it. This is how I draw my trend line. Now the next thing I want to wait for is, I want to see price, as price is moving like this, I want to see price break this trend line, which we got at this point. Okay, this is where we got the break of trend line. Remember, we had a touch here, we also had a touch here. Now at this point we got the break of trend line. So my condition, one of my conditions has met. Now the next thing I want to see is, I want to see price also break the previous low. So we also got that here. Okay, so price broke the trend line and also broke the previous low, which is a market structure shift. Okay, so after we've got that, the next thing I want to see is, I want to see that price retraces back to an order block. Okay, which we got here, price retraced back to an order block. All right, so once I see these conditions met, that is my confidence, that is my edge, I will short the market. Remember, this is a bearish scenario, this is a bearish example. Once I see these conditions met, I will short the market massively. I'll short the market. So let me recap again. Let me take it. I want to see a trending market like this in a bullish phase. I want to see it making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so I'll pick my trend line. Let me just delete it. So I pick my trend line, place it on the first low, connect it to the second low, and then extend it, making sure I keep touching those lows. I extend it. After I extend it like this, you see that we have this touch, we have this other touch, a minimum of two touches. You can have three, like here. Okay, so we got a touch here also. This is it. before we finally got a breakout. All right, then the next thing I want to see is that price breaks out of my trend line. Price breaks below my trend line. After that, I want to see that price closes below the previous low here, just as we have here. Price closed below the previous low, which is a change of character, also known as market structure shifts. Shift in market structure, whatever you call it, is the same thing. Then after that, I want to see price retrace back to an order block. I want to see price retrace back to an order block, just like this one here. As price retrace back to an order block, then I want to short the market. This is so simple, guys. I take a sell immediately. I take a sell, and this is the high. I like to place my stop loss above it, then take my trade, and then I want to target this low. That is, I want to target this low here, this lowest point where we start, where the move started. That's where I want to target. Okay, and you can see we hit the profit, we take profit. Now, while the trade is running, I also love to take my first profit here. I love to take my first profit on this first low, second profit on this second low here. That's how I like to do it. Then third profit here, and then I might decide to allow another one to run, like allow maybe one position to continue running until I'm satisfied. All right, sometimes I just close all at this point, this low. Okay, that's how I handle my trade. Okay, so let's go ahead to see this example. This is another example here. This is another example here. So I place my trend line on this low, connect it to the second low, and extend it. Okay, at this extension, you see we got this touch here, we got this other touch here, we got another touch here, and then a breakout. At this point, got a breakout. So after that, the next thing you want to do is, this is your order block, right? You want to mark your order block. Mark your order block. This is it. Then wait for price to retrace back to it, as we see here. Price retrace back to it. That is your end. When you take the trade down here, this is your major target. This low here as a major target. Okay, then when the trade is running, you want to take your first profits from this low. You want to pull your first profit. You want to take another partial here. Then you might close all the trades at about this point, or you leave one position and use it to continue trailing it with your stop loss. Continue trailing the stop loss until you are satisfied, or until price now hits the trailing stop. You are out. That's how to maximize your profitability using this strategy. Now let me show you this, guys. Let's go. Let me show you. Let's run this live example. As you can see here, basically price is moving here. You can see it's giving us this trend, and price is giving us this trend here. Sorry. So price is actually moving here. So what I want to do is, I just pick this trend line here, place my trend line. As you can see, I place my trend line here, and I want to wait for price to break through this trend line. Okay, I want to wait for price to break through the trend line. So price has broken through the trend line. As you can see here, price has broken through the trend line. Let me redraw it for clarity. So this is it here. Price has broken through the trend line, and this here is my order block. Okay, so I want price to come to it, and then I'm going to take my profit at about this spot here. This is where my take profit is going to be, about this spot. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how it goes. So it's running, so we have the trade has been activated. Yeah, so this is where we want to take our profit. So you can see that's it. The same thing happened here again. So price tags us in. We could have entered another trade, another position at about this point. Yeah, could have entered another position at about this point, and then the same thing happening. We have another trend line here also. Price breaks it. Could have also taken. This is how to stack your trade and take multiple positions. This is how you stack your trade and take multiple positions. You can see price is coming, and then eventually, let's see. Eventually, price is coming. This is the target here. I just have to reduce it so that we see it play out. This is the target here. Remember, this is the target here. So this is the target. By now, you have taken some of your profits. You have taken some partials by now. So that while it is playing around like this, you don't know what might happen. So price breaks, you might also be tagging again. Yeah, tagging again, and then finally price hits our take profits. Price hits our take profit finally. This is just how it works. You can see price did hit our take profits. This was it here. So price did hit our take profits very smoothly. So that's how it works. Let's see another example. Let's see what's happening. Okay, good. So at about this point, we got something like this. So price has actually broken the trend here. Let's see whether it's going to come back to retest. Don't know, but let's just see. Okay, so yeah, price gave us that retest that we want. Retesting this other block. Price retested this other block here. So that could be our entry, and our stop loss will be this high, right? And then we are targeting this low here. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Alright, so about this point we have taken partials, and then boom, our take profit got smashed. It's as simple as this, guys. It's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. Let's keep watching. Maybe one more example. Maybe I should have a trend here. Yeah, I have a trend here. Nice one, nice one. I have a trend here. Let's see how it goes. I have a trend here. Price breaks and then comes to retest. Good. This is our trend line. This is our area of interest here. And see our other block there, breaker block. So that's our area of interest. Price has tagged us in, and our stop loss is going to be below this point. Okay, so our target is going to be about this high, right? That's it, our target. But before that, we would have closed some, we have taken some partial profits. So let's see how it goes. Nice one. We would have taken some partial profits by now. Boom, take profit smashed. That is amazing, guys. That's amazing. Take profit smashed with ease. Like, this is it now. Take profit smashed with ease. So guys, this strategy works perfectly well, like almost 100% if you use it rightly. If you apply it rightly, it works almost 100% if you apply it rightly. This is another one here. but if you don't apply rightly, you might have some losses. This is another trend here. I think we have got a breakout here. We've got a breakout here. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen maybe around this area. Let's see how it's going to play out. I'm not sure, but let's see. So we've got tags in here. These are other blocks. So let's see. Yeah, price is rejecting here. So buy, and we are targeting the minimum of this level here. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. So take profit smashed. That's it. Take profit smashed. Take profit smashed with ease. With ease, and you can see we hit take profit with ease. This is we have also taken another buy here. So this is it here. Okay, so we got another trend, and then we got another block here. So price came back to retest it. Actually, we also got a break of structure here. So price came back to retest it. This would have been our entry, and then stop loss above here. I mean take profit rather above here, stop loss below. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. Take profit smashed. Very simple, very simple. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you like this video, if you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notified. Also, you can check the description box to find the link to our Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel through the link I always give signals using this strategy. I always give signals using this strategy. So make sure you join the Telegram community. This is the factory saying it can only get better. Bye.